Like, one day I'm gonna be like seriously like choking, and like no one's gonna know.
I'm gonna be seriously choking. Look at me, camera.
Because someone.
I'm seriously gonna be choking.
Seriously
Choking?
right here. So stop it. Go quick.
This is not time for my close up.
Me neither. Alright.
Back away from the Molly.
This is my bubble.
Okay, Molly.
Your bubble's been bursting.
That's so attractive. Why do you do that?
Just a cough.
Right, but you don't.
Well,
Your face gets so funny when you do it too. It's like.
well, I don't do it like in the middle of class.
You do it in the middle of conversation.
Well, I don't really care. Alright, so like
You were talking about killing yourself.
no.
I should have just ended it there.
Alright, if I was gonna kill myself, I would just like I don't know how I would do it. Alright.
I'm getting your angles.
Okay.
The MySpace angle.
This is my good side.
Ugly chicks have 'em.
Can't see this side. Or this side. Ow! Something like cut me.
You were trying to kill yourself.
Where? Like a little piece of skin, like.
Let me see.
Yep, you look
I
at
pulled it off. It was right there. I pulled it off though.
Of course.
Yeah, it was there. It's just not anymore.
I pulled it off.
Here's like a little skin piece of
Why don't we go and go through every one of Molly's wounds so she can show the camera? Molly.
Her heart is broken.
Broken